And then this uplifting the sky is going to start here. And we're going to bring up the energy from the earth. This is the next one we're going to be doing. And we're going to be reaching up toward the sky. So we go from, this is like bird's wings. See, bird's wings. Waterfall is here. Uplifting the sky now with the wings goes this way. Maybe the bird's cupping water. And you bring from the ground. You're going to reach up, stretch above the head, careful of fingers, wrists, etc. Exhale your breath. Release. In one standard version, it's a slow inhale. Press exhale. Pulling from the ground. Exhale. In this movement here, I'm going to pause for just a second. Go here for a second, here. This part of the movement, very important. Pulling from the ground. So even this in and of itself is a Qigong exercise just to the Dantian. Just to the Dantian. But in this exercise, we're going here. Breath begins. Exhale. And then put that inner smile on, or that external little bit smile. This one also, we can go inhale, come to this position, exhale, stay here. Inhale again, exhale, stay there. Twisting slightly to one side, other side. Hold the butt cheeks tight and then lean a little bit to one side, because otherwise it's dangerous for your lower back. Hold the butt tight, lean to the other side. Back to center, inhale, exhale. Be careful with this. Hands here. Stretch here. See? Or stretching. Breathing wherever you're stretching. Turn the hands over. Bend knees a little. Power up with your legs. Start your inhale. Exhale, reach. Stay there, hold. Inhale, exhale. Be careful, but like starting to work your shoulders, like pressing them toward the back. Keep the back straight, breathing. And then when you're ready, inhale. On your exhale, release. Bird wings, like bird's wings. Come back. Inhale. Waterfall.